monster involved in this case, who's in fact the accused here, trained boxer with tendency of physical abuse. We're talking about Sanjay Roy. Also attacked mother, sister and his wives earlier. The rapist beat up and tortured his wife every single day, was addicted to disturbing and violent pornography, allegedly got drunk, watched porn before rape. Neighbors complained of domestic violence as well. He's been married for 4 times, called a womanizer by his previous wives. Protests have erupted nationwide against the Kolkata rape horror incident, with doctors from across the nation demanding justice in the case and the safety of healthcare workers here.
ये जो हत्याकांड है, ये निर्भया के बाद का अपने भारतीय इतिहास का बहुत बड़ा हत्याकांड है। मतलब ये शर्मसार कर देने वाली घटना है। हमारी मांगे ऐसी है कि हमारे बहन, हमारी भारत की बेटी के साथ जो एक अन्याय हुआ है, उसको कहीं तो भी न्याय मिले।
On second day, resident doctors of AIIMS are protesting against horror of Kolkata doctor. Right now you can see straight from the visuals how they are gathered in the jail and auditorium, and after that they will move towards the gate number 1 and 3, and they are protesting against what had happened in the RG Kar hospital, and they are also demanding a CBI inquiry. I'm joining with some of protesting doctors. Even Mamata Banerjee also agreed for the CBI inquiry. Then why you all people are protesting?
See, one is that it is one of our demands, but all our demands have not been met. But I won't say that that demand is fully met, because you see that the CBI inquiry is supposed to be made after Sunday, right? And a lot can happen with each passing day. A lot of tempering of evidence can happen. So we are now asking for an immediate CBI inquiry in this.
Immediate CBI inquiry. Other than CBI inquiry, what are the demands?
We want a martyr status for the victim. What have happened with her is really unfortunate, and we are all here. Like what happened, we don't want this thing to happen again with anyone, not even the medical fraternity, with any woman. It shouldn't happen.
The resident doctors are protesting against the Kolkata horror. With camera person Pawan in Delhi, it's Ram Kinkar Singh for India Today.
The doctors of NIMHANS here in Bengaluru are protesting against the rape case that happened in the Kolkata hospital, seeking justice, that the accused or the perpetrators are still at large and the government has not done justice or enough, is what they're saying. Let me try getting few voices. So what is your protest about today and what is your demand?
Here one of our colleague she was in a West Bengal medical college. There a very bad incident had happened, I think 4 days ago, and the justice has not been served as of yet. They are making some scapegoat and bringing, telling that this is not, and they're not bringing the proper justice, what has to be given. And we are just asking for our safety, like if a female resident who is in a duty hours, who has done 36 hours duty and she's taking rest, and such an incident can happen within the campus, within like when the security was even there. So how can we expect other residents of us to go for a duty?
Doctors are also saying that they don't trust the process right now. They need a fair process in the investigation as well, and not just some scapegoat who will be shown as accused. And right now they're marching within the NIMHANS campus, and this is a silent protest march is what they are saying, that they'll only hold placards and not raise slogans here in Bengaluru NIMHANS campus. Nagarjun Dwarkanath for India Today.
Rape and murder of a PGI trainee is tragic and travesty of justice. But even here in Chandigarh, where scores of patients are obviously not being treated because the doctors at strike. Now, there is an emergency in the ICU at work, but this is the new OPD where scores of patients come in from various states, including Haryana, Himachal, Punjab, and even a distant Rajasthan. Let's just try and get you a sense from what the people are, because obviously they're waiting for the doctors to come and tend to them. The doctors are on strike. They're tending to medical emergencies, and new cards are not being made. Let's just try and speak. आप ये बताइए कितनी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है डॉक्टर्स के स्ट्राइक से?
मैडम बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही, जैसे रिसेप्शन से गए वो कह रहे कि कार्ड नहीं बनेगा, डॉक्टर नहीं है, और आप जो है 2-4 दिन के बाद आना। हाँ, ऐसे अंदर बोल दिया, फिर वापस ही लौटना पड़ रहा मैडम।
So even as you see a lot of crowd coming in, this is how it is. Lot of patients keep coming here. This is where they are coming in from various states, but we'll just try and get you a sense of what's really happening. But what it says is, due to the doctor strike, a registration timing will be from 8 to 9:30 only for old patients. So that is where the state it really lies.
ये सोच ही बंद होना है कि अगर डॉक्टर को हम कुछ भी कर सकते, ऐसा लोग मानना बंद करना है, तो कुछ सीरियस एक्शन लेंगे तो ये सोच भी आएगी ना नॉर्मल पीपल में कि अच्छा, अगर देखिए आप एक IAS ऑफिसर को या जज को आप असॉल्ट नहीं कर सकते, इसके लिए कुछ खड़े रूल्स है ना। तो ऐसे ही डॉक्टर्स भी इम्पोर्टेंट है, वो हम भी पब्लिक सर्वेंट्स ही है, हमारे ऊपर भी ऐसा असॉल्ट नहीं होना चाहिए।
We highly condemn this. मतलब ऐसा कोई सोच भी कैसे सकता है कि this it shouldn't go unpunished. इसमें जितनी कड़ी से कड़ी सजा है वो मिलनी चाहिए कल्प्रिट को।
कलकत्ता में हुई घटना के बाद देश भर के जो डॉक्टर्स हैं उनमें गुस्सा है और मध्य प्रदेश की राजधानी भोपाल में भी ये गुस्सा देखने को मिल रहा है। भोपाल एम्स के तमाम जूनियर डॉक्टर्स आज हड़ताल पर हैं और जो आपात सेवाएं हैं उन्हें छोड़ दिया गया इस हड़ताल से। जो इमरजेंसी सर्विसेज है उसे छोड़ करके जो OPD है उसे पूरी तरीके से आज बंद रखा गया है और ये सभी जो रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर्स हैं भोपाल एम्स के आज मेडिकल कॉलेज का जो गेट है वहीं पर बैठ करके विरोध जता रहे हैं बंगाल की इस घटना पे। पूरी घटना के खिलाफ तो है, लेकिन इसके साथ ही इस स्ट्राइक के जरिए एक तरीके से एक संदेश देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि एक सेफर वर्क प्लेस है वो तो दिया ही जाए, वहीं दूसरी तरफ कलकत्ता में जो घटना हुई है उन आरोपियों के खिलाफ कड़ी कार्रवाई भी की जाए। और इसी दौरान भोपाल एम्स में इमरजेंसी सर्विसेज को छोड़ करके जो दूसरी सर्विसेज OPD सर्विसेज हैं उसे पूरी तरीके से फिलहाल डॉक्टर्स ने बंद कर दिया है। कैमरामैन प्रतीक के साथ अवीश पाल सिंह, भोपाल।
See, when he was arrested by the Kolkata police, this is what he had said, that he acknowledged he basically confessed that he was involved in this particular issue. However, the students are of the opinion that it is not possible for one person to do to do what he did by himself, and he would have accomplices or someone who helped him. Investigation is happening, and Mamata Banerjee has given a time till Sunday. That basically means almost 9 days from the day of the incident, 8 days from the day of the incident, if the incident day happened on last Friday. If the Kolkata police is not able to crack it, then this case can go to the CBI. Back to you.